Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to cook your spaghetti. Fast way to prepare your spaghetti in a very easy way and in a very simple way. Here are the ingredients we are going to use to prepare our spaghetti. Of course, this is the spaghetti we are going to prepare. I have fried mackerel fish here, and also smoked turkey. You know I love smoked turkey a lot. This is fried mackerel fish and smoked turkey. This is diced red onions and white onions, and I also diced paprika and red pepper. Also, I boiled some egg. I love boiled egg as well. I'm going to mix it with green beans and carrots. I diced the carrot already, and also I'm going to add my tomatoes block also. And these are the Maggi we are using. Of course, salt to taste. Okay, curry powder for nice aroma, garlic powder as well, and black pepper. And also we are going to use vegetable oil. You can use any oil that you have, any oil you prefer using cooking. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. So I put my pot in the in my gas. I add some water to it to boil for about 4 minutes. Then I just had my spaghetti on the pan with hot water. So I'm going to leave this to boil for about 4 minutes, okay? Because I'm going to take the water out of it because of the starch. I normally parboil my spaghetti just the way some of us can parboil our rice. I parboil my spaghetti and take the water out of it. On the meantime, waiting for our spaghetti to be parboiled, so I have to make the sauce. Just add little bit of your vegetable oil, little bit of it. Then I add my onions to my pan. So I'm going to stir. I'm going to leave this for about 2 minutes. Yes, after it's a bit brown, so I will add my diced paprika and my red pepper. I'll add it to it, stir together as well. And I leave for another 2 minutes or 1 minute for it just to be together. After that, then I'm going to add my tomatoes block to it. Stir and leave this for additional 3 to 4 minutes for it to be steam good, so I will leave it for additional 4 minutes. So at this moment I'm going to add my smoked turkey on it because I love my smoked turkey the smoked turkey is a bit salty, so I always add it first so that I will know later additional salt I'm going to add to it. Just stir together and cover again for about another 2 minutes. At this moment, I'm going to add my Maggi cube on it. Add my Maggi cube. I'll add my black pepper, my curry for nice aroma, and my garlic powder. You can just if you don't know how to use your brain to put it, or you don't know how to put it yourself, you might made a mistake to put, or you can just use 1 tablespoon of each, or rather teaspoon also. Guys, why I normally parboil my spaghetti first, you can see it has a lot of starch now. I just parboil it. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash the starch out. I don't like too much starch on my, I don't like starch anyway, so I'm going to wash it out for the starch to go out of it. That's why I normally love parboiling it first. At the meantime, guys, this is how I wash my spaghetti. Just put it in the filter. Going to wash the starch away out of it for just about 1 or 2 minutes, just so that the starch will be out. So now I'm going to add my green beans and my carrots inside my sauce. Stir together. Actually looks so beautiful, it's colorful. So I stir like this, then I leave this to steam for just 30 seconds because I don't like my green beans to be overcooked. So guys, I'm going to add my spaghetti to my sauce. Stir together. Make sure you stir it properly, okay, so that all the sauce then will go up, will be well mixed. At this moment, I just had to add some salt. You know, I didn't add my sauce earlier on because of my smoked turkey is very salty, so you just add little bit of salt to it, okay, and you taste. So just add my fish to it, my fried my crayfish, and also my boiled egg. Stir together, and I will cover it for additional 4 minutes for everything to be cooked together. Then our spaghetti is ready. Okay guys, this is the outcome of our spaghetti. Yeah, it actually looks yummy, but I'm going to taste if it tastes yummy as well. Okay. Oh, it tastes yummy as well. So thank you guys for cooking with me, how I cook my fast way to cook my spaghetti. If today is your first time coming across my video, do not forget to subscribe, on the notification button, comment, and please do share. See you guys on my next video. Thank you for taking your time to come across Aria Fohan. Bye bye.